WeatherTech No-Drill Mud Flaps, the ultimate protection for your truck, SUV, or van. Now, you may not notice, but every time you drive, your tires are kicking up rocks, dirt, road salt, or some other sort of debris. And all of that is flying straight at your vehicle's vulnerable areas, your fenders, your rocker panels, and your undercarriage. Stones can create tiny chips in your paint's finish. And once water gets under your paint, rust spreads, eating away at your vehicle's metal frame. Repainting your panels or repairing rust damage can be up to a 4-figure cost. And when it's time to sell or trade in, visible paint damage and rust significantly reduce what your vehicle is worth. So whether you drive off-road, or you live in an area with harsh winters, or you just want to protect your investment, mud flaps are one of the most cost-effective ways to prevent damage before it starts. Not all mud flaps are created equal. Let's talk about why WeatherTech's no-drill mud flaps stand out from the competition. Many options on the market are one-size-fits-all. But here at WeatherTech, we laser measure each mud flap with your specific make and model. Just like our floor liners, they're contoured to match your vehicle's exact shape and dimensions, which means a better protection and a clean factory OEM look. And here's the big one. Traditional mud flaps require you to drill holes into your vehicle's painted metal surface. You're literally creating holes that can trap moisture and cause rust, which is exactly the thing that you're trying to prevent. But WeatherTech's system mounts in minutes without having to drill any holes. And depending on your vehicle, they either use WeatherTech's patented quick-turn hardened stainless steel fastening system, or they screw into existing holes with provided hardware. Another bonus, with our mud flaps, you do not need to remove your wheels or your tires, and this saves you time, making it about as easy as it gets. WeatherTech uses a proprietary thermoplastic resin and polypropylene blend to create these mud flaps. Our material is built to withstand extreme temperatures, impacts from rocks and debris, and years of exposure to the elements. These mud flaps will not crack, they won't fade or break down like cheaper flimsy alternatives. You can just wash them with mild soap and water like the rest of your vehicle. We recommend our Tech Care Gentle Car Shampoo for best results, but it's also safe to go through the car wash with them on. These are designed, engineered, and manufactured right here in America with precision and care. And that means that you're supporting American manufacturing while getting top-tier quality. WeatherTech no-drill mud flaps give you maximum protection without compromising your vehicle's integrity. Look, your vehicle is a major investment. And by taking this one step, you can protect it for years to come. And that is smart vehicle ownership. Check the link in the description to find the exact WeatherTech mud flaps for your vehicle.